Hi guys, so today we are solving this problem called intersection of two linked lists. Let's read it. Given the head of two single linked lists, head A and head B, return node at which the two lists intersect. If the two linked lists have no intersection at all, return null. For example, the following two linked lists begin to intersect at node C1. The test case are generated such that there are no cycles anywhere in the entire linked list. Note that the linked list must retain their original structure after function returns, right? So we've been given this linked list where we've been given head A and head B, and we just need to return the intersection at which both of these linked lists actually merge, right? So here in this case, 8 is the point where both of these linked lists, head A and head B, merge. So 8 will be returned as an answer for it, right? So that will be the output, right? So how we'll solve this problem is by initializing, two pointers, C1, C2, and actually forming a cycle in this, right? So if I form a cycle, so I can assume I can have a C1, C2, and let C2 go till the end, and let C2 enable us to form a cycle, right? So once I form the cycle, the problem would be simplified to just detecting the cycle and finding the start of the cycle, right? So in that case, I can just create a slow runner and a fast runner, right? So runner starts and then fast runner goes two step ahead. Slow runner goes one step ahead, fast goes two step ahead. Slow goes one step ahead, fast goes two step ahead. Slow goes one step ahead, fast goes two step ahead. Slow goes one step ahead, fast goes two step ahead. Slow goes one step ahead, and fast goes two step ahead. And slow and fast intersect at this point, right? So, like, why this point, right? And you might say, like, why is it here and not here, right? This is because we started from here, which means we started from two extra points. So we'll be two extra points away from the intersection, right? So if you see, like, if there is a marathon going on, if two guys, slow and fast, start at a particular point, now if slow runs at 1x the speed and fast runs at 2x the speed, so both of them will actually meet at this point itself, like at the start, like at this in at some point where the 1x and 2x intersect, like intermatch, right? So 2x will be having the rotation of the circle twice, and the 1x will be still on the first time, right? So slow is still on the first time and the fast is 2x times. So if you see, it's actually two step ahead, and this one is also two step ahead. So in that case, what I'll do, I'll make the slow go ahead, go to the head A, and still I have fast here, and I'll let both of them move one step at a time. And again, when they intersect, that will be my answer, and I'll return that, right? So that will be the idea. So what is the idea is simple. Step one is just to create a cycle, right? Create a cycle in the linked list, and in that cycle I just need to find the slow and fast, where do they intersect. Once I know where they intersect, I'll just start again from the point of start of head A, and wherever I have intersected in that sub in the linked list, I'll just move one step at a time till the time both of the slow and fast actually intersect, and that will be my final intersection of the two linked lists, right? So that is the approach, right? Let's get to the coding part in order to understand this a bit better. Let's get to the coding part. So first of all, what I'll check is if head A is none or head B is none, then I just return none, right? So in this case, what I'll do, first of all, I'll be creating a cycle in that linked list, right? So C1 is head A and C2 is also head A, right? While while C2 is not equal to is uh, is not none, right? While C2 is not none, till that time, I'll just say C2 dot next and let C1 be actually C2, right? In the end, what I'll do is c1.next should be equal to none, right? And then I'll just say node equal to detect cycle intersection. Just call that function with the head A as the value, right? So I'll have a function called detect cycle intersection. So let's create that one, which will have self and head, right? So here I'll do slow equal to head and fast equal to head, while fast is not none or fast dot next is not none. Till that time, slow is equal to slows next, and fast is equal to fast next dot next, right? If slow equal to fast at any point of time, then I just break out of that, right? And if slow is not equal to fast, if it has hit one of these conditions, then I know that there is no cycle and I return none from there, right? And once I have found the intersection, I'll again tell slow to start from head, and while slow is not equal to fast till that time of time, I'll just say slow to move one step and fast to move also one step until I hit the actual intersection, right? And once that's done, in the end, I'll just say c1.next is equal to, um, actually, c1.next is equal to head B here, and c1.next is equal to none, removing the link, the cycle, and in the end I just return node, right? So that is the idea. Let's run it to see if everything is working fine. um, we have a problem here, right? Next is not none, and right, that works. Cool, that's submitted. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you so much.